Hey, what is up guys, this is 3MT Reviews and welcome to the unboxing and first impressions of the new Nokia 8.1. It has been launched today in the 4 plus 64GB storage variant. So this is the box, ladies and gentlemen, and it says Nokia 8.1 here, Android 1 here, and this is probably this is exactly what the phone looks like. On the back it says the phone has a 6.18 inch 18.7:9 ratio full HD plus display. There are two cameras on the back, 12 and 13 megapixels with ZEISS optics, which is a good thing, and optical image stabilization, which is an even better thing. There's also a 20 megapixel front facing camera. There's dual sight mode, a typical Nokia feature. Also there's the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor in here. The phone also supports fast charging and comes with a 3500 mAh battery. So the price on the box is around 28,831, but since I'm unboxing this ahead of launch, I'll update the pricing in the description area below. So now let's dive into the thing. Let's bring out my trusty Mora and open this baby up. Yeah, I love this bit. Nice clean slices, lovely Swedish steel. So here's the phone, and we'll look at it in a bit. Let's see what else we have. There's a SIM ejector pin, the usual paperwork, Type-C cable, in-ear headphones, and a massive power brick, a 9-volt 2 amp affair, which means there's a fast charger within the box. And now let's get everything out of the way. Let's peel off the plastic. Okay, it just wants to slide out. Okay, great. Whoa, this is a nice looking phone here. There's that hint of maroon in here. Before I get carried away, let me show you around this thing a little bit. So it's a big, nearly 6.2 inch screen, but the footprint is relatively small compared to what we used to get a few years ago. There's a camera up top and the Nokia branding at the bottom. On the back are dual cameras with a flash sitting right next to them. There's the ZEISS branding, there's a fingerprint scanner below, the Nokia branding again, and Android 1 at the bottom. On the side are the volume rocker and power buttons, and a nice steel band going all around it, and honestly it looks very nice. On the left is the SIM tray. Let's look at what SIM options we have. So it's either 2 nano SIMs or a SIM and a micro SD card, no dedicated slots. On the top are the secondary microphone and the headphone jack and the antenna bands. On the bottom are the speakers, Type-C port, the main microphone, and 2 antenna bands again. I can't tell you guys how good the phone actually looks. There's this matte maroon color here and great contrast with the steel band. I'm really liking the look of this thing. But again, an all glass back, so it will be a fingerprint magnet. So now let's start this thing up. So this is what the phone looks like, and as you can see, there's a huge notch on the top. I would have preferred a smaller notch, or rather no notch at all, but here it is, and it is bothering me a little bit now. If you follow me on Twitter, you'll know how much I hate these things. So it comes with Android 9 Pie out of the box, and as you can see, there's not much here, but there is FM radio, thankfully. So let's see how much storage we have. So about 13.26 GB is taken up, which means there's 50.75 GB free. Let's fire up the camera. Nokia is talking a lot about the cameras. Typical Nokia camera interface. The rear camera shoots 12 megapixel pictures, while the front one does massive 20 megapixel ones. And for video, the rear can go up to 4K and the front does 1080p. Let me quickly try and take a few pictures. So here are the samples I shot. The pictures in good light have come out really well. Here's some stabilized 1080p footage with OIS doing a good job. Tell me what you guys think of these in the comments below. So I'll show you one more thing. Nokia says this is an HDR10 capable display, and in the settings is the pure display option to make the most of it. You can leave it in dynamic, which is an automatic setting, You can make it vivid, which has a bit more punchy colors, while Cinema has a warmer tone, and Basic is the same warm tone with a desaturated look. I leave it on dynamic for now and show you what it does. So let's play this video and look at how it changes the tone of the screen. Frankly, one of the better LCD displays that I've seen in a long time, and the dynamic range actually is quite amazing here. Viewing angles aren't too bad, and you can zoom into the video to fill the screen. So initial impressions are that this might be one of the best sub 30,000 rupees phone out there. But is the Nokia 8.1 the value flagship that HMD Global claims it to be? Well, we'll soon find out in the full review, but till then, don't forget to subscribe.